Friends, I am Sunil Kumar. Today I want to tell about how to do and when to do the call selling. So, who is call seller? He is like asset owner, property owner. He is seeking rental income. It's like we need to look into call seller as asset owner, property owner. Call selling has more probability and it requires more money also compared to call buying. That means more probability means more times winning rate, more opportunities will be seen in call selling. But more opportunities will be seen and with limited profit. That means consistent income can be generated by selling the calls. What is the view of call seller? It should be like bearish to neutral. Three out of four scenarios, call sellers make no loss. This is quite interesting. How he won't make loss? See the scenarios. If underlying is bearish, call seller has profit, will be having profitable trade. If it is underlying is neutral, it doesn't move anywhere from closing. It doesn't move from anywhere. It is also profitable. If it is bullish also, that means against our bias, against our view, if underlying moves also against, sometimes it's not profitable, but we won't get loss. If it is ultra bullish, automatically we may end up with loss. That means out of four scenarios, three scenarios call sellers will get profit. That means more probability of winning. See the scenario here. Here, spot is around 10,800. Days to expiry 23 days. We want to sell the 11,500 call. That means we are investing 1,650 rupees with investment of 96,000. At present scenario, if you take the hedging position, that our investment, that margin cost will be almost 50% to this 96,000. So better to have hedge position also. See the payoff diagram in Opstra. Here, see here, this is present spot price, that is 10,786. Even it moves around 12% to 13% bearish side also, we are getting the profit. If underlying doesn't move anywhere, that is here, we will get this credited amount, that is 1650. Even underlying moves against our call, that means if it moves up to here, that is up to 11,500 also, we will get the profit. That means in these three scenarios, here, this one, these three scenarios, we are getting the profit. Ultra bullish scenario, we may lose the in this strategy, that is call selling, we may lose here. So at that time, we will close the position or we will keep the stop loss. So see, 1, 2, 3 scenarios we are getting profit. Here, like call buying, call selling also requires trend identification, that is Nifty VIX trend. See the chart of India VIX. Here, ATR trailing stop loss and super trend is well above closing price of India VIX. Even RSI is below 40 and DI negative line is greater than DI positive line. So it means India VIX is in decreasing mode. So here it's ideal for credit strategies. If its trend is positive, we will sell the put. If trend is negative, we will sell the call. But India VIX trend is important. See the trend of implied volatility of Nifty. See here, it's constantly decreasing. See, at the date of 25th, it's 27, 29th, 26th, 2nd of July, 23.91. Today, it's 22. It's clearly showing decreasing mode. So, how to enter the trade? When to sell the call? Here, India VIX and Nifty should be less than super trend and ATR trailing stop losses in hourly and daily chart. And Nifty and VIX should be, RSI should be less than 40. ADX line, it should be increasing mode. ADX line is increasing mode means it signifies the trend of present one. If it is in selling mode, it will continue. If it is in buying mode, it will continue. That means ADX line is very important to know the present trend. DI positive line is below DI negative line. It signifies negative trend. And at the time of selling the call that day, open price should be less than, open price should be greater than present price. That means at that day, at the time of selling, candle should be red. Open price is greater than closing price at the present price. And there are, while selling the call, some points to be considered. They are: prefer OTM calls and deep OTM calls. As usual, monthly option strikes we need to select. Never sell ITM and ATM calls. While buying the calls, we need to select ITM and ATM calls. But while selling the calls, we should not consider ATM and ITM calls. Here, time is friend. If time is running, our profit will be more and more. If it is underlying is not moving also, our profit will be increasing. That means our bias need not to be correct 100%. Even if our bias is not correct also, sometimes we may get the profit. As we discussed before, don't prefer weekly strikes. Capital preservation is very important. So we need to consider ATR trailing stop losses and super trend to keep the stop losses. At that time, we will minimize the loss. We need to track VIX very regularly to know the trend of implied volatility. If it is increasing mode, we need to close the positions. So here IV crush means implied volatility decreasing in fast pace. At that time, our profit also will come in very fast way. That means IV crush is very important in call selling. And we need to consider other points of futures. Here, future open interest can be increasing or decreasing, doesn't make any difference. But future price should be decreasing or neutral at the time of taking the strategy, that is call selling. We need to select only OTM and deep OTM call strikes. And we need to consider PCR also. It should be decreasing mode. And at the time of at the time of selling the call option price should be less than the open price. That means it should be in decreasing mode. As we discussed before, VIX trend should be decreasing mode. That means VIX has to be below the ATR trailing stop loss and super trend in hourly and daily chart. If VIX trend is changing, that means in hourly and daily charts, we need to square off the strategy. We need to close the call sell. That means we need to buy. So here, compared to call buying, call selling has high probability. It will give consistent income if you follow the stop losses, if you follow consistently VIX trend. So here it has high probability trades we can make with following the VIX trend. Thank you.